Chapter 11, An Historical Sketch of Babylon. Babylon was a very famous city long ago. Many people thought of gold and rich things when they heard the name Babylon. But Babylon was not in a green place. It was in a dry valley near a river called the Euphrates. There were no forests. There were no mines. There was not even much stone for building. There was little rain. It was hard to grow food. Still, Babylon became rich. This happened because people worked in a smart way. Babylon had two big natural gifts: good soil and river water. People used the river water to help the land. They made walls of earth to hold water. They also made long water paths. These water paths brought water far from the river to many fields. After that, the land gave a lot of wheat and barley. The food was enough for many people. Many kings ruled Babylon for a long time. Other countries wanted Babylon's golden goods, so they attacked. Babylon often needed to protect itself. Today Babylon was not a living city. It was only ruins. The place was still in Asia, near the Persian Gulf. The weather there was very hot and dry. Long ago, the valley had many farms with water. Today it was mostly dry again. Wind pushed sand over the land. Only small plants grew there. People later saw many low hills of dirt in the valley. For a long time, travelers thought these hills were only dirt. But after rains, people found broken old bricks and old pots. Then explorers came and dug in the ground. They found old streets and old buildings under the dirt. They learned these hills were old cities. Babylon was one of them. People also found many clay tablets. Clay is soft dirt. People wrote on wet clay long ago. Then they baked it, and it became hard. These tablets were like paper for them. They wrote laws, stories, trade, and letters. They also wrote simple deals, like trading a cow for sacks of wheat. Many tablets were found, very many. Babylon was also famous for its great walls. The walls were very high and very wide. People said they were one of the wonders of the world. The walls helped to protect the city from enemies. Many armies tried to take Babylon, but for a long time they could not break in. Much later, Babylon was taken in a strange way. An enemy king named Cyrus fought Babylon's army outside the city. Babylon's army lost and ran away. After that, the gates were open, and Cyrus entered the city. The city slowly became weaker after that. With time, people left it. The wind and sand covered it. Babylon fell and did not rise again. But Babylon gave the world many ideas. People learned from its water paths, its trade, and its writing. The city was gone, but the lessons stayed.